The Yin Yoga Integration teacher training is designed to be an immersion for students to gain a deeper understanding of the insights when you blend Chinese medicine and yoga. You'll not only enhance your yoga practice, but you'll also gain tools with which to improve your health, the way that you care for yourself, and your lifestyle overall.
I've seen how the theory of acupuncture meridian therapy has been utilized in teaching yin yoga, but what was missing was how these meridians really associate with movement.
So I never in a million years thought I was going to be a teacher. I was doing this strictly for me. And in the last 4 weeks, I've started teaching people, and I'm watching their lives transform, and I'm watching how excited they are for it.
Even though I had never done any yoga before, I was able to grasp the concepts and understand the science and the theory behind the practice.
It's all about how you feel internally as you're laying here. You want to start to circulate some of that qi so that things don't stagnate as a result of your yin practice.
I used to always be knotted, but since I've been doing this practice, I'm completely open. I feel really good.
I'm just much more calm and centered and able to deal with the day-to-day things that come up.
It was just amazing how more flexible I became. It made me feel younger and more healthy.
I would absolutely recommend this training to anybody who wants to learn about what yin practice is all about.
I would absolutely recommend this training to others of all proficiencies in yoga.
I would absolutely do this a million times over again.